Hi, we are at the beautiful Westside Park in Atlanta, Georgia. Gorgeous space. It's newly renovated, open to the public, and it's a phenomenal hike, walk, trail. Come out and check it out. Oh, yeah. Oh, enjoy the video.
Another one.
I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on bed.
7 kids.
I do not. I do not. I don't plan on having kids either. I'm 40. I'll be 40 in October. Yeah. How about you? You have a daughter? How old is she?
Yeah. She's 22.
Nice. She's a grown woman. She's living her life.
And I'm a grandpa.
That's exciting. Boy, girl?
Girl.
Girl? Nice. Congratulations. Everything.
So with the play dead, will you regret?
So you edit these videos up, and then do you do narration over them, or how do you use them? I'm
You're gonna see.
curious about the process, actually.
I feel like when I'm with you, I'm losing.
Oh, this is it,
So
right?
this is it, but what's
Except
cool
the water is all the way
Yes.
up, so you can't see.
down, but we could take the trail up to the top, and there's a viewpoint, and you can
sorry,
look. No, I would love to see the process. I'm actually, I kind of do this for a living, not in
What do you do
terms
for a
of
living?
video. I'm a person who works as an arts administrator, and so I work with folks who develop videos for our content. So I'm the person who coordinates with them. So we have artists that produce projects, we have grant programs, so we work with artists to do that, to develop those videos, and I'm the person who like make sure they're paid, make sure they coordinate, they do on time, they send us our files on time, things like that. Yeah. So I'm fascinated by the process of like the drone shot, and I don't really know much about it, and had someone like teach me the process of how that works and then how the videos are put together. I mean, I know there's an editor, and you really function with all of those things, so that's what I'm asking all those questions.
I'm a one-man person, and I'm not getting paid, so I'm not trying to pay people.
You will be though. You're developing into that. You can always like produce work that you can utilize.
Was your father a baker? Where did you get those buns?
I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. I'm a Southern girl. I was raised here.
Oh, so that means
They say, you know,
if you're from the ATL, you got buns.
yeah. And they call them Georgia peaches for a reason. That's what they call women Georgia peaches. They got little booties or whatever. All my aunties, same thing.
Oh yeah?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is a good one because this goes up to.
And we are in Westside Park.
Yes, we are in Westside Park in Atlanta, Georgia. We're walking up this hill so that we can get to the viewpoint from the top where you can
We're walking up one of the trails. I
one
think.
of the trails. We'll be able to see the beautiful view of the Bell Street Quarry and the city of Atlanta. There's a gorgeous like side view from that area. So yeah.
We get to see some natural specimens as well.
I haven't really seen a lot of wildlife out here, but you can hear them for sure. Yeah.
I was talking about you.
You're like, I mean,
Okay, now explain how this was when you were growing up.
It was completely like inaccessible to the average person.
So what was this?
I guess it was like a quarry. I mean, we're right by the Bell Street Quarry, or the Bell Rock Quarry. But this wasn't like a place you could pull up in a car and just hang out in. Like,
So this was just wildlife?
Mm-hmm. This is all newly developed and built.
And I play dead and I stay dead, then will you
lay dead? Will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
Another one.